What's going on, everybody? Mr.C growing for B. Back at you. That's right. Alright, I don't know if you guys recognize this place, but we're in the flower room. I got everything coming off the ceiling. I'm tearing down the freaking flower room. So I got all this mess in the corner here. I'm starting to clean off everything, cleaning out everything, wiping down everything, taking everything off the ceilings. That goes for everything. I'm taking everything down, all the lights, all these wood panels, all these trims, and then we're just gonna bare minimum get down to the boards back up there. But as you guys can see, I tore down everything already. Figure I grabbed the camera for you guys, show you guys what I've been up to. I'm gonna tear down the dehumidifier. We'll probably put the other one up. We'll put that big ass Quest over here somewhere. Move these lights around, but we'll get to that here sooner or later. And real quick, I'm gonna show you guys a little grow hack here. So I just took one of those little hooks, and I just bent it. Oh, gotta straighten it out a little bit more. But for all these little eye hooks that we hang up everything, I use these all over. I don't know how many dozens of these I got in my ceiling, but nice little hack here. Put it on the drill. If I can reverse it out. Here, I'm trying to go slow for you guys, but bloop, comes right out. Alright, but anyways, I got dozens of these all over, and we're gonna tear down everything. We're gonna get to everything. We're gonna tear down every single thing in this room. Bring down the dehumidifier, the lights, like I was saying. We're gonna bring down the Artec, and then I even got some thick ass. What is it? I think it's R10. I think it is. Pink styrofoam board too. So there's the Artec. So I just started pulling that off the ceiling, and there's that pink board right there. I got that foam all through this, all through the ceiling here. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tear all this down here. I'm trying to get down to the wood panel up on top, and that's where the outside is, more or less. That's where the inside of my shop is. But it gets freezing cold out there. In the winter time, it's like 27 degrees. And flip on the lighting. But I thought all this foam was gonna help it, but I need to do a vapor barrier. So I'm gonna put a vapor barrier down right underneath the wood, and then put all this stuff back here. So right now, I cleaned out everything, make sure there was no mold, no nothing like that. We're gonna spray down here. We're gonna put off some bug bombs. I already did an ozone generator. We're gonna probably do that again, but we're gonna clean all this stuff up here, wipe it all down, reuse the stuff that we have to reuse, and then I'll keep showing you guys what I'm doing here. But I do apologize about being gone. Hopefully stay on the schedule here for you guys. Got a new laptop for you, so I'll keep growing on. You guys subscribe, like, share, tell a friend, and hug your loved ones. You guys keep growing on.